You're watching One to Step YouTube channel, a channel where we post tutorial video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your this transfer failed option on Cash App. So let's say you're trying to send some money to somebody in Cash App and it says this transfer failed. The main reason behind this could be your internet. So make sure to check if your internet is slow or not. If it is slow, change it into another connection like a data connection or change into another internet. But if your internet is not the problem and you're still facing the problem, then it might be the cash tag or the name of the person which you have written does not exist. So let's say I'm trying to send money to my friend and I write his name mistakenly. Then that could also be the reason why it's not being transferred, because the person with that name doesn't exist. So make sure to check the cash tag of the person or the name of the person. And even if it is correct and it's still not happening, then Cash App server might be down. Sometimes Cash App from time to time updates their server, and during that time their service are off. And if you're trying to send money during that time, it's going to say this as well. If that's the case, you can just wait for like 1 or 2 hours and it should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, what you can do is close your Cash App, hold on your Cash App, go on app info, go on storage, go on clear data. Once you clear the data of your Cash App will be brand new. You need to open your Cash App and log in into your Cash App account. After you do that, your transfer should happen. And if it doesn't happen, then the person you're trying to send money to, their account might have been banned. So Cash App is a money related app. So scams on Cash App happens on daily basis. So to prevent from scams to happen, like Cash App, suspends some account for like some security reasons. So let's say the person you're trying to send money to, a lot of person have reported that that's a scam account, and Cash App is like, trying to restrict money into that account. So if you're trying to send money into a scammer's account and you don't know it's a scammer, but Cash App thinks it's a scammer, then they are not going to let that transfer happen. If that's the case, you can't do anything. You can just contact the support of Cash App and talk with them. And how to contact the support is you can open Cash App, click on the profile picture at the top, and at the bottom where it says support, click on it and click on where it says start chat, and you can chat with Cash App's support team, and they'll help you fix your problem through that as well. So yeah, that's how you guys can fix your this Cash App transfer failed. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. One to Step. Bye bye.